loves. It is Monday. Say good morning. You said hey. Okay, so we are about to get up. It is about 9 o'clock, probably like 9:15, honestly. And yeah, I was gonna go walking, but it is freaking raining here, so that's out the question. I'll probably just do like some type of at-home workout, but for now we are about to get dressed because I need to go to the grocery store, and I'd rather just go now. Just knock it out the way. I love going to the store, but then again, I hate going to the store at the same time. I don't know. But yeah, so we're about to get dressed, and then we're going to the grocery store so I can get everything I need because I'm getting super strict on my diet because it's just bad. I'm just not doing what I need to be doing, and I'm about to get onto it, and I promise y'all, yeah. I'm also gonna make, I'm supposed to do like 3 videos today, but I think I'm gonna end up doing 2 because it's gonna rain, so that's probably gonna affect one of them, unless I can get out there and get it during the time that it's supposed to stop raining. But you know, the weather changes and it might end up raining just all day. So like I said, we about to just get dressed, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all probably when we get in the car. Oh my god, and I need to go fill up my container because I've been doing my gallon a day. Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all in a few. Bye. This is what having a 1-year-old looks like every day. Hey Rosebuds, it's your girl KenzieChenelle back with another video, and I know I'm in the car. I'm always in the freaking car, and I apologize for the angle. I literally have to sit y'all in my dashboard because, like I told y'all, if you're a OG Rosebud, then you know that my car mount broke. But if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and that would be greatly appreciated. It helps me out a lot, as well as it gets you the content that you would like to see. But well, by subscribing and then commenting and liking and all that good stuff. But me and Z are just together today. We're about to run a few errands. It is really gloomy outside. It is actually starting to rain, and it's supposed to rain all day, so I'm just gonna run out and get all my groceries that I need to get. Yeah, it looks like I had said earlier that I was gonna do a 3 videos today, honestly, but I think I'm gonna end up just getting 2 in, which is completely fine because that'll be like back-to-back upload. But I'm honestly not even sure if I'm gonna upload both of them today, so I might end up uploading this particular video tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. But yeah, at least y'all getting consistent content. But yeah, I'm about to just go meet my dad right now because I need to get a I'm looking at the road, y'all. I'm trying not to be unsafe, but I need to not get anything. I need to take him something real quick, and then we're gonna go to Aldi and Target. I need to pick up some meal prep bowls, as well as I need to buy Moo another toothbrush. Y'all, I've been brushing her teeth and everything. Cool. Z takes her toothbrush and throws it in the freaking toilet. So now I need to buy her a new toothbrush, as well as the meal prep. Yeah, so I'm going to get that as well as some groceries because I'm getting hard on my diet. I'm actually supposed to eat in about, well, I think I'm gonna start eating at like 12, so I got an hour and a half to do all that. And I've been drinking my gallon of water every day. Oh, there go the cops. So we're about to go to the grocery store and Target. I think I'm gonna go by Aldi first. No, I should go to Target first because I don't have to get anything that's cool and then go to Aldi, because I was gonna go to Target, Walmart, and Aldi, but I'm like, that's too much. But yeah, so me and Moo are just about to listen to some music, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys because I don't want to be vlogging the whole time while I'm driving. So I'll talk to y'all when I'm in the store. Bye. Z Ziggy. You guys, look at this mug. So freaking cute. I think this is so cute, but I don't want that mug for $5. I can get a mug at Dollar Tree, but it's cute. But this is me right here. Yoga pants and coffee, maybe yoga pants and water. You know, I gotta do my gallon. But yeah, and then they got more. They got some on sale for $5, and I'm just like super cute. Queen of the kiddom. See, I only have 1 kid, so maybe that'll be a little extra for me to get that, but super cute. Hello, beautiful. I need that in the morning so I can feel really beautiful. I feel like a flop. Good morning, sunshine. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, they're really cute though. I need it. Oh no. I mean, it's nice, but we don't have any pets. Cute. Super cute. Okay, guys, I'm trying to figure out which makes more sense. Okay, these are the Rubbermaid, and they're $9.99 for 10. But they also have these variety packs right here for $3.99, and you get 12. But then they have these little meal prep containers right here. You only get 3 of them, but they're only $2.19. So I could just get the last 2 and spend like $4 and save $6. And then I could get this little pack of 6 to put like anything else in and still end up saving more. I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna just do that. Probably. I think so. Okay, guys. So they got this stuff on clearance. They got the strawberry and cream Quaker oatmeal for $1.28. I think I'm gonna get some of that. And then they got the Made Good bars. I heard good things about these, and they're only $1.98. Let's see. Make sure it don't got peanuts. Oh, we got carrots. Can't eat it. Never mind. But yeah, so we just doing the shopping and we're gonna see. Y'all, I don't really drink, but look at these. These are so freaking cute. It would be really, 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 really cute for like a desk setting. Super cute. Okay, guys, so it is 11:40 and we are in Target. We are about to leave because I need to go to Walmart and Aldi because Target did not have a lot of the stuff that we needed to get, and it's like 20 minutes before I'm supposed to start eating, and my window is gonna stop at 8. So yeah, I'm hungry as it is, but I need to get this done first. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm trying to be kind of quiet because Moo just fell asleep, but I'm on my way home. When I tell y'all, just like having your parents around who are just there for you is just like a saving grace and just like a blessing in itself. Like, because Z was asleep and I need to go in the store so I can get the food that I can eat. And so I just called my mom up and I was like, hey, do you want to ride with me to the store so I don't have to wake up Z? And she was like, yeah, sure, blah, blah. I'm just going to get dressed and then this and the third. Because she ain't really got to do nothing. She just got to throw on some clothes so she can basically sit in the car with me. But it's just like, honestly, the little things. Like, so appreciative forever. Grateful. But yeah, like I told y'all, I was going to buy stuff that I said that I didn't even mention, and that's what I did. But everything was on sale. Y'all know your girl love a deal. You gotta get a deal when you go to Target. It just, yeah, it's just the thing. You have to get a deal. So I picked up 2 things I'm really excited about, and I'll end up showing y'all that. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all just like a collective haul from like things I've been buying from different places or what, but you guys will see what I got very soon, because I've been to the Goodwill like 2 or 3 times since I talked to you guys. This is my last haul because I told y'all, I tell y'all when I go to the Goodwill, but I just don't always show y'all what I've gotten. So I don't know if I'm gonna do like a haul and show y'all everything I've been like collectively getting over the past 2 weeks maybe. I'm not sure. I gotta figure it out. But then again, since I only got 2 things from Target that I hadn't mentioned, I might just show y'all. I don't know. Or I could just do a Target haul. I don't know, y'all. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so I gotta finish this video, but in the midst of doing this video, I need to go ahead and film my other video once I get back home and then eat, because it's already 12:10 and I haven't even eaten yet, like anything. I ain't even started my water yet, y'all, and y'all know I gotta get 8 bottles in, a whole gallon. Which I'm gonna do because I'm not gonna slack off. And I got a bottle of water right here, so I could just start drinking it, and now I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, Target was having some good deals, y'all. Y'all better go. Y'all better go. They're trying to get rid of their winter collection or whatever. So you better go. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. If I had some guapo, a whole lot of it, I would. Never mind. Just know I probably wouldn't have no more guapo when I left when I left Target, because I love Target so much. They just have such good like items and their quality. It's just on point. Well, most of their stuff is good quality. Some stuff be a little Walmart it is, you guys. Walmart. What it is. Because I just now told it all these groceries in the house. It does not look like a lot, but it's a lot. And I still gotta go get a whole lot more. But this is just from Walmart. I spent $103 just in groceries at Walmart. Like, who am I? But yeah, I'm about to go get the rest of them and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am done with the groceries. Whew. Y'all, this is what $150 gets you for groceries. Minus my hat. Yeah. So I'm about to just put this stuff up. Whew. I am tired, y'all. I am so tired. This is why I need to get in shape. But all right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog because I'm about to do another video where I'm meal prepping, and then I also got to do a sit down video for you guys. So I need to go ahead and end this so I can get started on those, and so I can get everything edited and figure out when I'm gonna post each thing. Moo, come here, say bye. Come on this side and say it. Come here. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so I enjoyed bringing you guys along today. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from Target too that was not vegetables and everything like that. So I just bought this hat and it was on sale for $6.88, and it just looks like this. Really cute. And then I got, hold on, Ruth. And then I got a light colored one. Same price, really freaking cute. And then I just picked up one more thing, and it was this little starter toothbrush set from it. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all literally in a few minutes, but in case I don't get it uploaded later, I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and until next time.